Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine, enjoying your life. So friends, my name is Shivani Gupta and I'm your host and host for today's video. You already know this thing friends that so far we have been working on our communication skills and on our spoken English. So far we have learned so many ways so that we can improve and enhance our spoken English and the fluency. So I hope you are also doing the same thing the way I have told you and the way I have shown to you. Are you doing it? Please do let me know in the comment section. I just want you to raise your hands or type yes in the comment section. Although right now I'm just recording this video, so I won't be able to see you, friends. But I really want you to write in the comment section that how many of you have started speaking, practicing speaking with ChatGPT. If anyone of you have already started this and has been doing it for so long, please do let me know in the comment section, friends, because it's so important for all of us to know that this person has already started, or there are so many people who have already doing it for from a long time. So why I want to know this? To be honest with you, friends, I don't have anything to do with this, but the thing is just I want to show people. The more people will see it, the more they will going to believe on it. That okay, by using ChatGPT, we can actually transform and advance our spoken English. Isn't it right? Like today's, it is day five. I can say yeah, it's a day five where we have been working on our spoken English by practicing with ChatGPT. So let us start without wasting a further. Let's get jumped into this video. We are using ChatGPT so that we can transform our communication skills and elevate our fluency. Yeah, you heard it right. If friends, do tell me one thing. If you know this thing that the way you used to speak to people, the way you used to communicate to people, is there any difference the way you used to speak earlier and the way you are communicating now? Is there any difference? Have you noticed any difference between your way of speaking? If yes, please do let me know in the comment section. And if there is anyone who still believes that no, I'm not going to improve, I'm not, this is not going to work for me, or this is not for me, I cannot do it, I am struggling with my own ways. So trust me friends, like today or maybe the day after tomorrow, I will come up with one more idea where I will be practicing not with ChatGPT only. I'll be using one more application and that I will tell you in like on the right time. So today, let's get started. Here, I have already opened my ChatGPT application. You can see the interface. Friends, to tell me one thing, I believe that all of you have ChatGPT in your mobile phone, like in your smartphone. If you don't have ChatGPT in your smartphones, please do download this application. It's such a wonderful and I would say mind blowing application. Nowadays, I don't think so that. No one is using ChatGPT. I believe most of the people, it has become ubiquitous. Like everyone is just using ChatGPT all the time for not for their work purpose but education, in education also, and for study purpose also, I would say, for recording any kind of video, for doing anything. We have been relying on ChatGPT from a long time. So let's get started today's conversation. And it's a day five. So I know that like earlier we have discussed about some friendly questions that ChatGPT asked to me, and I gave the answers. Today let's see what ChatGPT will going to ask me and how would I be able to answer it. Hey ChatGPT, how are you? I hope you are fine. So ChatGPT, it's my day five in improving my communication skills. So I would like you to teach me something interesting, and along with that, ask me a couple of questions so that I can see that I'm making any difference. Because as I believe that ChatGPT, GPT sometimes I get stuck like in some sentences I don't come out of the right words, like words automatically doesn't come out of my mouth, and I get stuck. And like right now I'm having a like word with you, but still I believe that there's something running in my mind, so I'm like unable to deal with it. Teach me and ask me a couple of questions. Let's get started. I think my net is slow, like my internet is slow. I don't know why it's not working or what happened. Let me see the light if the power has gone out or not. No, the power hasn't gone out. Then what's the case? Why my ChatGPT isn't working? Hmm. Hey ChatGPT, it's my day 5 and I would like to practice speaking English with you. So, are you ready? Can we start right now? Sorry friends, actually my ChatGPT, I don't know GPT has any problem. Right now, I think it's acting up today. It's not working properly. I don't know what happened to it, and it's out of order actually. So I'll let it be. Friends, चलो कुछ अच्छा सा डिस्कशन कर लेते हैं. चैट जीपीटी से तो रोज प्रैक्टिस करते ही हैं. We have already seen it, and I hope you have been doing it from your end as well. And if you're not doing it, please start from today only. Friends, do let me know one thing, that what do you believe, that will I be able to uh, I would say gain your trust and to get your trust, because what I see generally, whatever kind of like video I'm uploading on YouTube, I'm not getting the kind of views, likes, and comments. I really want these things seriously, friends. It's not for me only, or I want this for my channel or anything else. It's just that, friends, that I want to see that whether we are improving or not. Like if we are not improving at all, then we know. I let me clear you. You whatever you are assuming, that's completely wrong. We are not going to stop over here. I'm not going to stop recording and making videos. No, it will not going to happen. The thing is that we will change our approach. We will change our methods. We will adapt something or the other kind of effective method that will going to work for us. But if ChatGPT method is not working for us, let it be. Let it keep it aside. I'm just saying it. If you believe that no, ChatGPT is not meant for you, then don't do it. Don't do it at all. Don't practice with ChatGPT. If you believe that you want to have a real life conversation, let me tell you how we can do that today. As you all know that I don't want to make this video a longer one, because I believe that if I make short kind of videos, it will going to be like more impactful, or I would say like good, I would say, or effective one. Because to be honest with you, friends, like watching a 20 minutes video in just one go can be hectic, can be a daunting task. Because right now I believe that in my videos there is nothing interactive, like I'm not using any kind of picture behind my back, and there is nothing going on in the background also. But trust me, friends, even if it's nothing going behind the in my background, and I even there is no picture, even though there is no example, like a vibrant example, but trust me, friends, whatever I'm telling you right now, I believe that maybe a lot of people have done this already, or maybe have told this already. But the way I'm telling you, it can be relatable. You can be able to resonate with it. If yes, please do let me know in the comment section. So today I'm not going to do the practice. Let me tell you one thing. I'm just going to show you the particular application by which you can speak to real life people, to real life, I would say, speakers who also want to have a partner just like you want to have. So what we can do over here, we just need to download this particular application called Peer Up. Yes, you heard it right. The name of this application is Peer Up, and let me show it to you, the logo, and I would say the picture of it. Let me just show it to you, friends. So, see, friends, actually, I don't know whether it's visible to you or not. Even I forgot where is the logo. Wait. So, see, friends, this is a logo of Peer Up. I hope it's visible to you. Let me just click on it. See, I know it's not clear to you because this is a mirror kind of effect. So, see, friends, I have already missed my streak, and so see friends, this is the whole interface of Peer Up application. I have just increased the volume. See what is written over here. I know you might not be able to read it right now because it's the mirror kind of effect. Everything is showed, everything like maybe visible to you in a like upside down way. So this is like written start the here. It's written start the human call. If I click on this, it will going to connect with me. Sorry, it will going to connect me with the person who is also wants to speak English with me or communicate with me. So I hope you have seen the interface. You know how to practice on this application. You just have to click over here, and if you if like suppose if today you are going to download it, it will going to ask you the your name, your ID, and like blah 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 kind of question, your phone number, maybe something or the other. But you don't need to afraid of it, because trust me friends, it will not going to give your number to someone else or to whom you are going to speak with. So don't you worry about that. It will just going to use your data, use your ID for the I would say for safety purpose, for a genuine purpose, that at least you have been using this application, no one else, like it's not a fake ID. So for this purpose they are going to ask your ID, ask for your ID. That's it. So I hope friends that you have got to know that today. I know my ChatGPT didn't work, it was completely out of order. Sorry for that friends, I am extremely apologetic for this thing, and sorry for this inconvenience. But to be honest with you friends, like I've already told you the other way to communicate with real life people. I hope this would help you out, and it will going to help you out. Actually, it will going to help you out, and this video is quite helpful for you. If it's helpful, and if you found it insightful, and maybe you have learned something or the other, or you got the clarity or the, I would say, the idea, please give it a like, share it, and subscribe to your own YouTube channel, friends. This is your own YouTube channel, friends. And seriously, friends, don't take me as a tutor or as a trainer or somebody who is like who is speaking in her own word. No. If you ask me something very, I would say, genuinely or nicely, politely in the comment section, I'm ready to help you out 24/7. Trust me, friends. Yeah, you heard it right. I'm here, ready to serve you whenever and wherever, however you want. Like, it's just that we want to improve our spoken English by 2026. Yes, you heard it right. Because already June, today it's 7th of June. I think it's 8th of June. Let me check it. Yeah, it's 8th of June. So we have already, I don't know, already 7 days have been passed, and have already gone. So we have like some more days, not days actually, the whole 5 months. If you are determined, if you are dedicated, if you are really passionate about improving our communication skills, our spoken English, trust me friends, this video, this specific channel is for you. It's for those people who are like serious, passionate, and extremely sensible to improve their communication skills, to elevate their pronunciation, and grammar and communication skills, personality development kind of skills, and the soft skills, then we are ready to help you out. If you are ready to connect with us, please do let us know in the comment section. And this is how I will going to see you with another one, friends. So till then, friends, take care. Bye bye. Radhe Radhe, dosto. Radhe Radhe.